It's my mission to empower you to change your life for the better. This week, I've got examples of how people have done just that in 2022. These are inspiring, motivating, challenging, and we're gonna start off by talking about Dawn. Now, Dawn was a stay-at-home mother. She's got a 3-year-old son, and suddenly her husband died at the beginning of the year. She had no savings, she was unemployed, and she needed solutions fast. Now, she started from the bottom and she's been clawing her way through career opportunities and putting every dollar to work that she makes to achieve these short-term and long-term goals. Now she has benefits at her new job, like healthcare for her and her son, retirement benefits that she never thought she'd be able to build up for her future, and of course term life insurance so that none of her loved ones are put in the same position that she was in. Money arguments are the second leading cause of divorce behind infidelity. Josie and Ben were a new couple and they were arguing a lot about money. Ben had a bankruptcy in his past and they didn't talk a lot about what was going on. Ben is fiercely independent and kept all his financial and personal struggles to himself, like buried them deep down inside. They spent all year in coaching, building up a language together, and also counseling for their relationship. And with this shared tools and common language, they're ready to move from fighting against each other to fighting together towards their goals. Hank, an older gentleman, has always had the same goal. He's always wanted to make 6 figures in 1 year at his job, and it's been 10 years and he's always come up short. And so this year he set his sights higher. Instead of a $100,000 goal, he said, I'm gonna shoot for $1 million, and I'm gonna change what it looks like to try, instead of getting to 100,000, I'm gonna have to try different things to get to $1 million. And nothing else has changed. His mindset, his attitude has affected his behaviors to try to get to 7 figures instead of 6. And this year he's gonna land over $180,000 in his commission income. And now that's double his record. It's time for you to raise the bar and learn from Hank's success. Now share this with someone who you think can continue to raise the bar and achieve beyond their wildest dreams next year in 2023. You're not going to manifest a fortune. When you seek out money success online, you find all these stories of people saying, well, I've got this mantra and I just convinced myself that I'm going to be wealthy this year and every morning, and it just magically happened. And now I became a dentist, opened up a practice, and I'm the best in my field, and all before, I turned 30. That's just BS. It takes hard work to get there, and you're not accidentally going to fall into some career. It's gonna take effort and persistence and patience, and it's gonna take courage. Now, to jumpstart you on your path, go ahead and download our ebook by signing up for our newsletter. It's gonna give you 5 simple steps from financial distress to financial success. Another couple got married 10 years ago, merged their family finances together, including all of their kids, and over time they've accumulated $250,000 in credit card debt. Just, $1 at a time with their lifestyle creep and with having so many kids and not expecting their income to be such a shortfall for all their growing expenses. Now, feeling that they were at the end of their rope, they filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and unfortunately, it didn't solve their problem, and their debt just started to rebuild again. After their debt reaccumulated, they needed a full reset. So this year, starting at the beginning of the year, they committed, they took some classes together, they got some coaching together as a family, and now they're on the same page and have a shared language when they talk about their money. They're on track to retire someday instead of being behind. Getting on the same page with your spouse is often a challenge. Now, if you're like me, you're a financial nerd, and some of us are more free spirits, like my wife. Knowing yourself and your tendencies are going to be helpful to meet in the middle and to work on this money game together. Our routine is to have a monthly budget meeting, and I bring the numbers and she brings the snacks. Talking openly about our monthly spending and our goals in mind it strengthens our relationship, and it's month after month. It's just kind of slowly building one after another, and we just get better at it. Like, subscribe, and comment on whether you're the financial nerd or you're the free spirit in your relationship. As you start this new year, I'm here for you. Forget your New Year's resolutions about working out more, sleeping more, reading more. Those are all great, but do those resolutions ever pan out? What you need are SMART goals. Those are simple, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, it's year-end, so watch this video for your year-end checklist so that you're ready for 2023.